Have you been tirelessly attempting to manifest your desires for an extended period, only to find that they somehow elude you? Do you observe others effortlessly achieving their goals in life, while obstacles seem to obstruct your path? Unfortunately, this is the case for the majority of manifestors today. However, in this video, I am excited to introduce a powerful tool that holds the answer to all your manifesting troubles. What if I were to tell you that through the use of a magnificent tool, your manifestations will come naturally and effortlessly to you? Yes, that's the most fascinating aspect of this technique. You won't have to exert excessive effort to achieve what you want. Instead, what you desire will come to you almost instantaneously. That tool or technique is none other than meditation. How meditation can help you manifest your desire, and how it is different from visualizations, and how you can practice meditation with Neville Goddard's law of assumption to enhance the power of your manifestation. This is what we are going to discuss in today's video, but before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button below this video and press the bell icon for more amazing videos on manifestation and Neville Goddard's teachings. So let's get started. Now, I know you must have heard of meditation 1,000 times from various sources, but I urge you to approach it with an open mind and listen to what I have to say. Let go of any preconceived notions surrounding the word meditation for a few moments and allow me to shed light on its transformative potential. It's important to recognize that different people hold various beliefs about meditation. Some may perceive it as having religious undertones, deterring them from embracing the practice. Others may view meditation as a demanding discipline that requires substantial dedication and effort, causing them to shy away from it. Interestingly, some individuals believe that they are simply not capable of meditating, assuming that other manifestation techniques are more suitable for them. In their minds, they question the necessity of engaging in an activity as seemingly mundane as meditation. I completely understand your concerns, as I myself had numerous false beliefs and misconceptions about meditation before I started practicing it. However, I can now confidently say that meditation has added a touch of magic to my life, allowing me to live and experience things that my former self would have never dreamed of. Whether it's attaining financial abundance, improving my health, or cultivating harmonious relationships, I have manifested it all through regular meditation practice. And I am not alone in this experience. Countless individuals have transformed their lives through meditation. I have personally met some of them, read testimonials in books, and watched videos online. If you delve a little deeper, you will discover overwhelming evidence of how meditation has positively influenced the lives of millions of people worldwide. Before delving into how meditation can help you in manifesting, let's quickly examine a significant reason why you may be struggling to manifest what you want. I highly recommend reading Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, where he discusses the importance of having a burning desire for your goals. According to Hill, without a burning desire, the likelihood of achieving what you want is slim, because you may give up on your dream the moment you encounter another seemingly attractive opportunity. Have you ever wondered why so many entrepreneurs fail, while only a fortunate few manage to build enviable empires? It's often because most of them lack a burning desire for their ventures. While they may work diligently, deep down in their hearts, they lack the unwavering, laser-focused determination required to reach their ultimate goals. What you need is strong, laser-focused attention directed toward what you genuinely want to achieve. This means having exceptional clarity about your end goal. Simply desiring more money is not specific enough to ignite a fire within you. However, a desire to make $100,000 per week provides specificity. When you inform your brain that you will be earning an additional $100,000 every single week, your body and mind receive a surge of inspiration and motivation. This is how you want your goals to be: super inspiring and captivating, compelling you to daydream about your future and providing the motivation to work diligently towards achieving them. Such inspired action is the key to translating your desires into reality. It's essential to understand that half-hearted goals or desires are unlikely to work, even with the help of meditation. Therefore, ensure that you are incredibly passionate about whatever you desire. Passion is the secret sauce of instant manifestation. Additionally, another reason why you may not have manifested what you want is the lack of inner work. Inner work involves delving deep within yourself and exploring the limiting beliefs and ideas that hinder the manifestation process. In an ideal world, where there is no mental clutter or obstacles, manifestations would effortlessly come to fruition almost instantaneously. However, the reality is that the average individual's mind is burdened with numerous limiting beliefs and contradictory thoughts. No matter how hard one tries, manifestations cannot materialize due to these mental barriers. This is where meditation comes into play. I like to think of meditation as housekeeping for the mind. Imagine your mind, especially your subconscious, as a room. Meditation acts as the janitor who cleans and maintains this room in its optimal condition. It serves as your personal cleaner, removing all the junk thoughts, limiting beliefs, fears, and insecurities. Just envision how your physical room would appear if you neglect to clean it for months or years. Similarly, without meditation, your mind accumulates clutter over the years. Throughout your life, you have absorbed various ideas, beliefs, and patterns, not all of which are beneficial to you. Here's an important point to understand about the society we live in. It thrives on fear-mongering. Fear is a powerful tool that helps authorities control the masses. Consequently, the majority of individuals become easily influenced by fear and follow the herd. However, when you embrace a practice as powerful as meditation, limiting beliefs and even fears gradually lose their grip on you. You begin to realize that the things you once feared were merely mental constructs. Society may continue to inundate you with fear and agitation, but ultimately, you have given meaning to those fears and internalized them. There exists a space between a stimulus and a response. This space is where your true power lies, and meditation empowers you to make the best use of it. Through regular meditation, you will notice that external news or the opinions of others hold less sway over you. You become more self-aware, clearing away mental clutter and building immunity against fear. Your mind becomes capable of focusing on the things you genuinely desire. This is the essence of manifestation. Furthermore, meditation trains you to stay present in the moment. The present moment is where all the magic happens. It is the womb of creation. Time is merely an illusion that aids our understanding of this 3D world. In reality, everything unfolds in the now, the divine present moment. Being aware of the present moment yields significant rewards. It enhances your consciousness and transforms you into a better manifester. When you remain grounded in the present moment, your mind finds respite from dwelling on past events. Many individuals constantly dwell on past mistakes, preventing them from fully utilizing the present moment to envision and design the ideal future they desire. However, you can break free from these repetitive thought patterns by incorporating daily meditation into your life. As a result, your manifestations will effortlessly align themselves with your desires because a calm, aware, and grounded mind naturally attracts abundance. Another intriguing aspect of meditation is its ability to increase your vibrational frequency. Everything in the universe is energy, including your thoughts, emotions, and desires. Each of these has a specific vibrational frequency. Negative emotions such as fear, anger, and frustration vibrate at lower frequencies, while positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude vibrate at higher frequencies. When you meditate, you allow your mind to tap into the higher vibrational frequencies associated with positive emotions. This uplifts your entire being and enables you to attract experiences and opportunities that resonate with those higher frequencies. In addition to raising your vibrational frequency, meditation cultivates a deep sense of gratitude within you. Gratitude is an incredibly powerful emotion that has the capacity to transform your entire life. By expressing genuine gratitude for the things you already have and the experiences you've encountered, you send a powerful message to the universe. You communicate that you are content and appreciative of the present moment, opening doors for more abundance and blessings to flow into your life. Remember, like attracts like, and gratitude is a magnetic force that attracts more reasons to be grateful. Now let's talk about the mechanics of manifestation and how meditation plays a crucial role in this process. When you meditate, you enter a state of deep relaxation and heightened receptivity. Your mind becomes more attuned to the subtle vibrations and energies surrounding you. In this receptive state, you can effortlessly tune into your desires and visualize them with utmost clarity. Visualization is a powerful technique that allows you to create a mental image of your desired outcome. By visualizing your desires as already being fulfilled, you reprogram stating that this is what you expect to manifest. Your mind cannot differentiate between a vividly imagined scenario and reality. It perceives the imagined scenario as the present reality and aligns your actions and beliefs accordingly. This is the key to manifestation, feeling and believing that your desires are already yours. During meditation, you can deepen your visualization practice by engaging all your senses. Imagine the scene vividly. Feel the texture, smell the aroma, taste the flavors, hear the sounds, and experience the emotions associated with your desires. The more detailed and immersive your visualization becomes, the more powerful its impact on your subconscious mind and the universe. Meditation goes beyond the realm of visualization and offers a profound enhancement to your intuitive abilities. Often referred to as the inner voice or gut feeling, intuition serves as a guiding force that leads you toward your highest potential and the fulfillment of your desires. Through the practice of meditation, you cultivate a state of mental stillness and clarity that paves the way for your intuition to be heard and recognized. By quieting the incessant chatter of the mind and creating a space of deep inner silence, meditation allows you to access the depths of your being where intuition resides. In this tranquil state, you become more attuned to the subtle signals and messages that your intuition conveys. It becomes easier to discern between the noise of external influences and the genuine whispers of your inner knowing. Regular meditation practice also fosters self-awareness, which is intimately connected to intuition. As you spend time in quiet contemplation, you develop a deeper understanding of your own thoughts, emotions, and patterns of behavior. This heightened self-awareness brings clarity to your desires and values, enabling you to align your decisions and actions with your authentic self. Moreover, meditation expands your perception beyond the limitations of the rational mind. It opens doors to insights, inspirations, and creative solutions that might have remained hidden in the business of everyday life. By cultivating a receptive and open state of mind, you allow intuitive guidance to flow freely, offering you invaluable guidance and support. Meditation fosters a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Stress and anxiety are major hindrances to manifestation. When your mind is overwhelmed by stress, it is unable to focus and channel its energy toward your desires. By practicing meditation regularly, you release stress and enter a state of calmness and tranquility. In this state, your mind becomes an open vessel, ready to receive the gifts the universe has in store for you. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you will experience profound shifts in your mindset, beliefs, and ability to manifest. Meditation clears the mental clutter, enhances gratitude, and allows you to tap into your intuition. It aligns your mind, body, and spirit, enabling you to effortlessly visualize your desires, believe in their attainment, and take inspired action. Remember, manifestation is not about forcing or exerting excessive effort. It is about aligning with the natural flow. I hope I delivered a good analysis of this idea about meditation by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.